Why, hello my friends out there in the YouTube world. So today, right now, this is a completely different view than what we're used to. Yes, my friends, I am on the VMAX. Now, it's still running a little rough, but you know, it's I wanted to get out and give it a ride. I did run some seafoam through the carburetor and the gas, and I just wanted to get it out and see what it would do. This carburetor still need to be cleaned professionally, so you know, I'm not sure when that's going to happen, but like I said, I wanted to be able to get out and give it a try, at least. Idle's a little high right now because I don't want to turn it down. I'm afraid it'll stall. So, like I said, we're just going to take it for a little test ride and see how it well, not how it performs really, because I can't really check that out too much. Let's see. Holy fuck me, man. That fucking, holy shit. God damn, that fucking B-boost kicks in, boy. And let me tell you, that, oh man. Oh yeah, that V-boost kicked in, and yes, this is going to be a very fun bike when I get to getting it running properly. This is going to be such a fun motorcycle. Oh man, god damn. Damn, guys. Damn, that's oh man, this is definitely going to be a fun motorcycle. Ah, shit. Yes. I just wanted to like I said, test it out. God damn, it looks like it's got self-canceling turn signals too. Holy shit. Ain't that some shit? Wow. Alright. Oh man, it's a little wet outside and I really want to play around, but I shouldn't because I really don't know this motorcycle. But my god, guys. Oh, that V-boost. Yeah, buddy. So, hey, I'm able to get it out and riding. It is legal, so that's a plus. Wow. Oh man, I gotta get this thing running right, because this bike is going to be such a good bike to ride when it's running correctly. Position ain't too awful bad. So yeah, it's been over a year since I've actually since my name was drawn for this bike. Because my name was drawn 2023, right before Thanksgiving. So it's been over a year since my name was drawn. It's been 9 months since I picked it up, and it's been kicking. Goddamn. And it has been about a month since I've got it registered and licensed and titled in my name. So I'm finally out. It is late December, 60 degrees out here, and this fucking bike is putting a smile on my face from ear to ear, from fucking ear to ear, guys. So yeah, it's this is gonna be a fun bike to ride. Yes it is. Yes it is. Again, like I said, seating position isn't too bad. These controls are a little bit rear mids. It's a little bit back from where the Lowrider ST is. But yeah, I hope this audio is working, because if it's not working, that would be such a shame. Yeah, because this bike is fun. You know, I was able to get the carbs cleaned enough to be able to, that's my hat, to be able to actually get out here and get it on the road and riding around the block. So yeah, this is, and like I said, it's got fucking self-canceling turn signals. So this, my friend, is where I'm going to end it. Because like I said, I just kind of wanted to get a feel for the bike, get the bike on the road a minute. But yes, oh my god, this is going to be a fun bike to ride. I keep saying that, and like I said, it's put a smile on my face so far, ear to ear. So all right, my friends, until next time, y'all stay safe, y'all love one another, peace.